Hello everyone, this is Kate. I will be going over icons today, how to input them and how to edit them. So we're here in the back end and we're going to go ahead and come to the right side drop down and come to icons. This is where you would input a new icon from your computer or create a new icon pack. So if you want to upload one from your computer, you're going to upload icon, or if you want to create an icon pack, you're going to click create icon. We're going to create an icon first from our data bank of icons we have predetermined in the system. So we're going to go ahead and create icon. So what we're going to do is you're going to create the name. So we're going to keep it simple and just put icon in today. You're going to go ahead and select a front end icon. What that means is the user interface, so what's on your phone. This is what the member will see when they log in, or what you'll see when you're on your device. So we're going to go ahead and click this chatting one. Then you'll scroll down to the bottom and you're going to select a backend icon. This backend icon will only be viewable from the backend, meaning that only those who have access to the backend to make edits would be noticing it. So you don't have to be as picky with your backend icon. Go ahead and select the one you want, and then once you've decided that's what the two icons you want to link together or create a pack with, go ahead and click save. As soon as that icon pack has saved, that is now an option for you when selecting in the navigation. The other way to upload an icon is through upload icon, and this will pull it from your computer. So we're going to go ahead and name this one icon 2 just for the ease today. This app icon, this is going to be, again, the user interface icon, or what you'll see on your phone. This file type is PNG. A JPEG will also work. Go ahead and choose a file from your computer. I've got quite a few files on my computer, so we're just going to search my icons. Okay, so we're going to go into our PNG file. And all of these are usable sizes that you can use. I'm going to go ahead and click the largest size. The larger size you select, the easier it will shrink down and the better it will look. So for the purpose of this training, I'm just going to select one. I'm going to go ahead and open it. It's going to load it in. And then we would do the same thing for the backend icon. This backend icon is going to be in SVG format, so a little bit different than our front end icon. We're going to go ahead and select. Once we have those both selected, we will click submit. If I tried to put a different file type in either of these spots than the system is used to, it will give me an error message. So I'm going to go ahead and submit. It won't let you submit without having both files selected. And that automatically creates another one of those icon packs that we spoke about before. So here's that icon 2 that I just created. So once we have that icon pack created here in the system, it is selectable from our navigation page. So we're going to come over here to our navigation page. We're going to come to learn more, and we're going to edit this. So you come up to the icon, click this green button with the pencil, and then those two options are now there. So if we go ahead and select this, as soon as we've selected it, it will make that change. So we'll be able to see how it reflects here. And once we push save, that will reflect on the phones. Just a quick recap for you guys. You create your icon packs from this right side drop down icons, and then you put those icon packs in and assign them here in navigation or member tools. Both of those spots are options for you.